Girls, winter is here, and if your skin feels dull, dry, and lifeless, then this video is especially for you. Today I'll show you the Winter Glow Up Routine 2025 inspired by Korean self-care, giving your skin a soft, cozy, glassy glow. And if you also struggle to maintain glow during winters, then tell me in the comments, I'd love to know. 1. Hydrating Clean Start. The first step is gentle hydration. Harsh cleansers can make your skin even drier in winter. Use a Hydrating Korean-style cleanser and massage your face in circular motions for 20 seconds. This is the true beginning of a bright glow. Tip 2. Winter Glass Skin Tonic. A Korean glass skin tonic works like magic during winter. Apply it using your hands and gently pat it in. Patting is the real Korean glow secret. 3. Barrier Repair Moisturiser. Glow lasts only when your skin barrier is healthy. Use a moisturizer with ceramides and hyaluronic acid and massage it in upward strokes. This is the key to winter glass skin. 4. Lip Glow Nutrition. Dry lips can dull your entire look, so make sure to apply a lip sleeping mask or a hydrating lip balm. For overnight glow, add a slightly thicker layer. 5. Cozy Warm Water Routine. Glow doesn't come only from the outside, it comes from within. Drinking warm water in the morning helps digestion and makes your skin look naturally brighter. If your skin also becomes dry or dull quickly in winter, then definitely tell me in the comments. Let's see how many girls relate to this. 6. Korean Gua Sha Winter Massage. Gua Sha reduces puffiness, boosts glow, and improves blood circulation. Apply a little face oil and follow slow upward strokes. It makes your winter self-care feel extra cozy. 7. Winter Body Glow Secret. Lotion plus body oil layering gives buttery, soft skin. This method locks moisture all day and gives your body a natural, healthy glow. 8. Soft Girl Winter Perfume. Vanilla, warm florals, and sweet fruity perfumes create the perfect soft girl winter vibe. A good fragrance always elevates your glow-up mood. 9. Night Glow Up Routine. Night Glow Up is the most important. A thick night cream, a satin pillowcase, and a lip sleeping mask. These 3 steps complete your winter glow journey. So girls, this was my 2025 Winter Glow Up Routine. If you want a cozy winter glow, make sure to follow all these steps. Like, share, and subscribe for more glow-up tips, only on MissRoseRadiance. And if you want any other video, feel free to comment down below. I'll make it for you.